Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Black Pearl class step by step. Let's just go to the Pirate Cove and then just head to the end of the dock and find this NPC captain. This one, Captain Jones, and then just talk to him and accept the class. And next, just open your class menu, and then next, just tap on Black Pearl. This one, and then in here you will be asked to do two things: find a fish with the Leviathan with mutations and collect the dead man's compass, and after that just return to the captain. And then for the tutorial for find the dead man compass, you can check link in the description to watch the full tutorial. And after that, once you complete the quest, you just return to the captain and then just tap on complete quest, and after that you will receive the colossal pirate ship as your rewards. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.